If you are looking for best pocket multi-tool, this video is for you. Let's get started with the list. Product number 1, most popular Leatherman, Wingman Multi-Tool. Product number 2, Gerber Dime Multi-Tool.
This is the Dime. It's a clever mini multi-tool you can attach to a keychain. It contains 10 tools. In addition to butterfly opening stainless steel spring-loaded needle nose pliers, wire cutters, a fine edge blade, spring-loaded scissors, flat driver, tweezers, lanyard ring, and a fine and coarse file. The Dime includes the retail package opener, a blade that safely cuts and scores plastic packaging. The Dime's bottle opener is exposed even when the tool is closed. Store this cool little multi-tool in a pocket, a purse, or keep it on a key ring. This is the Dime.
Product number 3, Swiss+Tech ST53100 Polished SS Micro Pocket Multi-Tool for Camping. Product number 4, SOG PowerAssist Multi-Tool. Product number 5, Gerber Center Drive Multi-Tool.
Life isn't a popularity contest. It's not an act, and it's certainly not fair. It's not a fad, it's not a fashion statement, and it's not about pretending to have all the answers or claiming to be real. Life is blood and guts and sweat. It's hard work, true heart, pure grit. And it's time someone set the record straight. Introducing Center Drive from Gerber, with a first-of-its-kind full-size driver on the center axis that uses standard bits, a full-size outboard knife that's 30% longer than the competition, with reverse thumb support, plus spring-loaded pliers, and they're all accessible with a flick of your thumb. The Multitool just got a reality check.
For more details, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching the video. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel.